I got loyalty, got royalty inside my DNA. Cocaine quarter piece, got war and peace inside my DNA. I got power.
Just finished the nitrous install in the Boss 302. Shout out to Manny Garcia from San Antonio. He helped us out with setting this right, because I didn't know we had to like program it or whatever. It's like a little wide open throttle switch, but man, we were having a hard time, and our buddy let us know how to program it. But yeah, look, turn on the switch and do a full throttle. You could hear the solenoids click. There we go. That's full throttle. Hell yeah. You could tell Cesar's happy.
I'm happy.
Hey, what's going on, guys? We're about to go to the races here in Eagle Pass. They're about to have some races right now and Radar Base. I'm here with my little brother Max, chilling. It's gonna be fun. Hopefully we win some at least. Either or, man, wins or losses, I'll be happy with them. I love racing, so I'm good with whatever. But yeah, man, I'll get back to y'all as soon as I get there, so I can show you around the cars and stuff. What's up, dog?
What's up?
We're here chilling. We just got here. We'll catch up right now. Team. What do you got there? Gatorades? Give me a Gatorade.
Yeah, I want a beer.
A beer? Ray? Dark Side? We're out here racing. Reaper in the background.